Hello, guys. Welcome back. We are again back with another interesting topic for you. And in this video, we are going to create a real time location tracker. And we will be using OpenStreet Map, which is open source and free of cost. If you decide to use Google Map or some other maps, it will come with some cost. So that's the reason we are using this open source map. And we will use leaflet.js in order to render this map. We will use the GPS permission, location permission of the browser in order to track where the current user is browsing this page from, and we will plot a marker on this exact location that the user is currently surfing from. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's get started. Let's start with some HTML. I will call it real-time location tracker. So what I need here is I will need to include some CDN, right? So to use the leaflet, I will need leaflet CSS. I will include leaflet CSS here, and also I will need the leaflet JS. This one is for rendering the map. It's not a link, it will be a script tag with src, this one. Okay, so we have included the leaflet successfully. Now I can go with the HTML. Let us design something here. Class equals header, and I will call it something like location real-time location tracker. Also, I will have a div with class coordinates, and I'll provide it ID as well, the same ID, so that I can update it from the JavaScript later on. What I will say here is acquiring location. Okay, let's see. Yeah, that's what I wanted. And after header, I will need a space for the map. So I call it ID as map. That's it. I think we should be done with the HTML now. Let me style it to make it look good. So I will start with the body tag. Let's use font family of sans serif and background of blue. Okay, I don't like this color actually. So let me go with some other blue. I think cornflower blue. That should work. Yeah, okay, this is fine. Now let's go to the header. I'll make it a color of white and text align center. Yeah. Okay. And what next? For the H1 inside the header, let me give it a font size of 1.9 rem, font weight of bold, and probably margin 0. If I don't give it a margin, it will be fine. Okay, it's fine, not bad. So for the coordinates, I will give it a font size of some less value, which could be 0.9 rem. Maybe that should be enough. Not bad. Okay, let's go with this one. And finally, for the map, let me give it a background color of something like DDD for now, and height 70 vh, width probably 90%. Yeah, so now I can design it properly. What I will do, I'll do it margin 0 auto to make it at the center. Great. And what next? Maybe I'll go with box shadow 0, 5px, 10px. And I don't need the background now. Okay, this is good. And also what I can do for the header, I will give it margin bottom up 20px. Yeah, not bad. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna load map over here, right? So first let me go through the JavaScript, okay? What I will do here is I will grab the current latitude and longitude of this user. I mean, the user in this case is me myself. So where I am surfing this website from, I'll get the latitude and longitude using the navigator property provided by the browser. So if navigator dot geolocation, we can find the coordinates over here. So if there is no navigator dot geolocation, what it means is this browser does not support the geolocation, right? So I can say geolocation not supported by this browser, so that user knows exactly what's wrong here. And if it supports, then I can get it from geolocation dot get current position, and it will be in position, so not an arrow function here. So what I can do, I can now grab the latitude and longitude. So latitude would be position dot coordinates dot latitude. Similarly, longitude will be dot longitude. So I have both latitude and longitude, and what I can do now, I can show the latitude and longitude over here. How will I do that? Document dot get element by ID coordinates dot text content equals something. So the text content would be probably dollar latitude comma dollar longitude, something like this. Let's see if it works. It's still acquiring location. Yeah, see, this is the latitude and this is the longitude, so it's working perfectly. Maybe this should be 1.1 rem. Okay, this looks good now. Maybe I can change the color of it to something like DDT. Will that work? Okay, it's not good actually. So maybe CCC would work. No, I need to be on the lighter side. So this would be perfect, right? So we are done with this section. What I can say here is, I can also say longitude. No, this is the latitude, is this one, and longitude is this one, so that it would be clear. Nice. Or even what I can do here is, I can add a paragraph tag. That could be a better option. Let's see. Oh no, it's not text content, right? It's inner HTML if I'm adding the HTML. Okay, not bad. Now I can load the map, right? So for the map, what I will do after this one, I'll initialize the map with leaflet.map. I need a map with set view. I need to set the view on the exact location that user is right now. So latitude and longitude with zoom level of, let's go with 15 zoom level right now and see if it works. It's acquiring location still. So now we have got the location and I have loaded the map, but I'm not sure why it's blank right now. Oh, this is because I have not added the layer. So I need to add the layer. What I will do here is L dot, and that means leaflet dot tile layer. Okay, I need to add some layer, add to this map. Great. And the layer, it is provided in the documentation of leaflet, but I actually remember it. Let's try if this works. It should be yes dot tile dot OpenStreet Map .org/z/x/y.png. Actually, you don't need to remember this one. You can find it in the official documentation. But since I remember it, I can use it and see we are getting the map, right? So I can zoom out and see the whole world map here. Okay, great. So, and it has zoomed in the actual region that I am currently in. I'm currently browsing this web page from. So I need a marker to place at the exact location. So I'll add a marker here. Marker equals l.marker, leaflet.marker at the position, latitude and longitude dot add to this map. Let's see if it works. See, it has added a marker at the exact position that I am currently in. If you browse this web page from your location, this will be at your location, exactly at your location, right? So I also need to add up, some information here to add. So I'll bind a pop-up. I can say your current location and open pop-up by default. See if it works. Acquiring location. After it acquires location, it will show me your current location. Great. So if I'm zooming too much, what I can do here is I can change this value to maybe probably 4. See, now it's fine. So you know where I am browsing this website from. I mean the web page. So if you are browsing from any other parts of the world, this marker will be exactly at your location. Great. So, and you have the control of the zoom level as well. Great. Now what I need to do is, if I keep on moving from this place to the other place, I need to have the real time update, right? As we say here, real time location tracker. This is just for the one time. If I open this web page and then travel from here to maybe New York, then what it will do, it will just stay on this location, the marker. So I need to make it real time. Let's do that. What I will do here is navigator.getLocation. I'll just keep on checking the location. So I'll call it watch position function new position. So if it finds a new position, then what it should do, it should get the new latitude equals new position dot coordinates dot latitude. Same thing like we did before. And for the new longitude. Great. Now we just need to update the marker, right? Marker dot set lat long at new lat comma new longitude. And then again set the map view, because the map might need to scale basis on the basis of where you are. So it will set view at the new location. Sorry, new lat new long. Great. So let's see. Well, we cannot see it right now because I am using it from the laptop and I need to travel in order to show you the same thing. Let's see if it works. It's currently working. What I can show you here is, let me give it different latitude longitude for first time and then see if it changes the position or not. So I'll give a latitude and longitude of different place, maybe latitude and longitude of Germany. Let's go to Germany now. So this is the latitude. I'll provide this latitude here and longitude will be this one. This is of the Germany. So let's see if it goes to Germany. Yeah, right. But what I need to make sure is it gets to my original position afterwards. Let's see if there is any request. Okay, I have some error here. Let's get to the error. Geolocation dot watch position function, new position. This is good. Okay, so what is the error here? Let's see what it says. Cannot read properties of undefined watch position. It means this is undefined. It's not get location. It is geolocation, right? So I'm currently in, oh, you can see here when I refresh, it shows me in Germany, and right away it tracks my original location and sets me to the original location. It means this code block of code is working perfectly. I can remove it now. If you travel, you will obviously see the updated or your recent location in real time. See? Okay. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Actually, you can make a lot of interesting things with this tool. You can, track your travel history and, save it for your future reference as well. You can, get to know where your dear ones, your friends or your family members are currently in with this easy tool, right? So hope you guys enjoyed it very much. Please subscribe us for more interesting and useful videos like this. This much for today. And let me remind you that I have provided a link in the video description where you can find all the source code and that we did in this video. So this much for today. Cheers, guys.